This thing on? Hello? YouTube, what is going on? It is your man, Just Zach, coming at you again with another great video for you, edited by none other than No Tell You, and we got a good one for you today. So if you guys been coming around the channel lately, you know that we've been playing a lot of Warzone and we've been having a blast with it, and we've been playing with a lot of new friendly faces. So absolutely fantastic opportunity for you guys who are interested coming to the stream. The link is down in the description below. We do stream on Twitch every single day except for Sundays. So if you guys want to be a part of the crew that we roll with, click that link down in the description below and find us. Or if you just want to talk, you want to chat, or you want a great piece of energy for your morning with your coffee, then make your way on over to the stream. Now, you guys know, if you've been in the stream lately, that you might not come for the gameplay as much, but I'm gonna tell you right now, we have been clutching up lately, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to unveil to you a video that is all about the clutch. And they have never seen a cracked Zach like this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you know when the next videos go live. It would mean the world to me. Also, share this one with some people and get their feedback on it. Let's see how many people this can reach. Also, just a reminder, a like on this video does improve its chances of being seen by more people. It's just a whole YouTube algorithm, so a like would be fantastic. All right, hopefully you guys enjoy this one. I'll see you guys on the next one, or hopefully in the stream. Peace.
One's up top on the bridge, right here.
Is he like in it?
Yeah, he's on that, behind that truck. I stunned him. I'm flanking him.
I'm watching the truck to see if he moves at all.
Guy below me.
Focus armor, he's down. I got the guy down right here on the front side truck.
Moving position.
Okay, somebody just broke glass. Another guy,
Oh, behind me. I just got owned. Whoever that was, I just got smoked.
It's nothing.
oh, right here.
Oh, shoot.
Broke that guy on the right shoulder.
Downed him. He's dead. John Wick and Itachi. Yeah, bye-bye.
Taco Tuesday! Let's go!
Right there. Down one. He's right there. I down one right there. Okay, it looks like a guy right there. Coming to the heli. Broken arm on the side, down him. Titan for armor. And that man, where did he drop? Mark that real quick. Yeah, there's no shot I make it to super. Yeah, right in front of us, right here. I got light ping on him. I think there are our guys moving up the hill. Yeah, right here.
Target right here.
Hurt? Oh, he beamed me. They got a little bit of a shot, huh? I got one down. Let's go. Those are the last two teams.
3 people alive.
Got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
He's
Mark the
down.
target.
There's for sure 2 down there.
Oh shoot. Well, that was a despot. Bad one.
You good? Last team down there. Should be at least.
Mm-hmm.
They gotta come up. You'll see them. You'll definitely see them.
Gas is inbound.
Mark the target.
Just that bottom left. Right there, yup. They literally have no cover. All they had, yup.
Están campeando en un perro árbol.
He called me some naughty words. Let's go, baby.
Let's go. Let's go, Zach. You feel me? Let's go. On a 10-hour streak.
Ooh!
Better stop playing with us, man.
Oh man. Chat, are we a beam now? Are we a beam? 10 hours later.
I gotta go teabag him.
Where's he at? I'll teabag him with you. Oh, there he is.
I showed up just in time.
Dude, we're so toxic. That was. Could you imagine a whole squad teabagging on your body? I'm gonna try to beat him out of here. Ah, I'm getting shot again.
I'm driving. Get in.
Oh, he's literally right there, bro. Chill, dog. Bro, drive better. Go.
What do you mean drive better? I came to pick you up.
I'm going to like right here. I want to kill these kids. They're flying. They're right there. They're about to get into Bertha, bro. Like up on top of the hill here is where I'm getting out. Oh, okay. Well, never mind. They all have ghosts. They're in the Bertha. In the Bertha. Disable said Bertha. Oh, they got out. Or they're dead.
Get in.
I think they're dead. Go. Push this way. There's no way. There's no way that they are pushing this way.
Oh my god.
Where's he at?
I have no clue.
He's right there at the rock, at the rock, at the rock. He's putting shots on. Dead. It's just one kid. Get him!
Oh!
Oh, we're dead. They got a firing squad right now. Push behind this hill if you can.
I just got grenaded.
RPG, maybe.
Yeah.
What's left? Get it done.
How many RPGs do we
Be
need?
advised, there's an enemy team hunting you.
Like, seriously, at this point, they had to have also had a meet.
Nice. That sniper had to push. Good. Go. Right there. Ah! Good. Dude, holy.
I'm just better. I'm just better, chat.
Survive
Potentially.
target, mate. Let's get it done.
Only five.
Oh! There's another one. There's another one. Oh my god! He can't be stopped!
Dude, it's a 1v1. It's a 1v1.
There he is!
You have this.
Let's go! Woo! That's how we clutch up, baby! That's how we clutch up, baby!
You on the whole server.
me too. Holy crap.
Yeah, he had you.
He literally, if I didn't have stopping power rounds, I'd die there. Oh my word. Holy clutch, chat. Let's go, baby. That's how you pull through for the squad. You kill 2 full squads, and then you're just a 1v1.
Look at that shit.